Hello future developers, welcome to today's tutorial on the ABCD that's Pandas. Okay, so Pandas is a library, Python library for doing exploratory data analysis. So this course is for beginners, and then just use some methods that you can use in Pandas. Okay, so that said, you can check whether you have Pandas installed. You can check your, just click on your Windows here, that's those using Windows, then click CMD, the command prompt, then let's just type pip list. So pip list, okay, pip list. So you're going to make a list of all the Python packages. So this course assumes you already have Python installed, and then you've done the necessary Jupyter Notebook installation in Anaconda, the like. So you check here, you can see I have NumPy, and then I also have Pandas. I have Pandas, yeah, Pandas, and even Pandas Profiling. So we'll be using Pandas Profiling, Pandas, and then NumPy. Okay, so pip list. So these are the list of packages in Python that we have installed in my system, or my system. Okay, so let's see what I can do now. So I'm going to my, I can still close this, then go to the browser. So if you visit this link here, you would see Pandas. Okay, so Pandas website, and then if you click on the getting started, you should come to, I think, this page, okay, which shows you how to do that in your Jupyter Notebook. So the course assumes you already know how to use Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so if you follow this link, you should be able to know how to use Jupyter Notebook, how to check if Pandas is installed. And also, if you come to the documentation, it should take you to this. Let me go back. It should take you to this page, and then you can either choose this or choose this. Okay, so user guide. So user guide, you can just take. Let's click this. Okay, then it shows you how to use Pandas in 10 minutes. Okay, we'll show you how to use Pandas for data analysis. Okay, how to create a data frame and the likes, how to explore a data. So you can see here there are various operations methods to actually explore your data. Okay, so let's see. So another good resource is to go to Piper. So piper.org is a good platform for doing like for searching for packages that or libraries that you can use in your project. Okay, so this is just so you know. Okay, so Piper is a good place. So let's say if you need a package, let's say text to speech. Okay, text to speech. Just type it here, press enter. Okay, so let's see. So we have some packages here. So let's click this, or you can choose any of them. Okay, unknown project description. So let's look for, let me see this one. Okay, so this one, the author, there's no description. I want one with a description. Let's do PyTTX, PyTTX or TT. Okay, let's search for. Okay, simply let's just do pandas. Okay, so you can just click on this. So when you click on this, okay, it gets copied, and then you can paste it in your command prompt or type it in your command prompt and then press enter. It should like update your, or you should install the pandas 2 package. Okay, so this is just something you should know. It's a very good place for getting the code to install pandas. Okay, so this is pandas, and then I'll see in the next lesson. So in the next lesson we'll be doing pandas profiling. Okay, just a simple, with just some few lines of code, we're able to analyze, visualize, and then get a report of our data using about 4 to 5 lines of code. So that should be it for the introduction, and then I hope to see you in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.